Now Jim, have you ever experienced a Bluebell extravaganza?
I'm Todi, explore with me.
Lying in a bend of the river with the imposing scar bank overlooking the water. Further north, the Copdock Hill Ridge, crowned by a clump of majestic Scotch firs, serves as a prominent landmark for miles around, rising to 271 feet above sea level, the highest point in the parish. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified of new uploads. Be smashing! Like and share this video to help the algorithm, and check out my other channel TodiGold for careers and culture tips. Entering the woods, a carpet of vibrant bluebells stretches out before us, painting the forest floor in hues of azure and indigo. Hampton Lucy's bluebell woods come alive each spring, creating an almost magical spectacle of delicate flowers carpet the forest floor, inviting us to wander through their fragrant beauty. As we follow the winding pathways meandering through the ancient trees, with gnarled branches reaching skyward like guardians of the woodland realm, sunlight filters through the leafy canopy above, casting dappled shadows upon the forest floor, creating a mesmerizing play of light and shadow. We hear the gentle whisper of the breeze rustling through the leaves, a symphony of nature's own composition. Birds flit and flutter amongst the branches, their melodic songs adding to the enchantment of the woods. We pass beside the tranquil brook, through muddy paths by waters reflecting the azure sky above like a mirror, while the bulrushes decorate this natural oasis.
Do you know 28 butterfly species inhabit Hampton Lucy's wood, including the white letter hairstreak and the purple hairstreak?
Over 200 species of fungi emerge here, from morels to giant puffballs and shaggy parasols. The flood meadow hosts a colony of breeding toads, adding to the area's biodiversity. Let your imagination take flight as you wander through this timeless landscape. Watch time stand still, and the worries of the world melt away in its serenity.
Before you go, here are
10 activities for everyone to enjoy in Hampton Lucy.
Visit Chocolate Mill,
where you can immerse yourself in the past.
Find the video in the description below. Stroll along the River Avon.
Visit St. Peter Advincula Church.
Picnic in the Bluebell Fields.
Wander through the charming hamlet of Ingham, which extends westward into the parish.
Enjoy the rustic charm and perhaps catch glimpses of local wildlife. Discover Hutton Village remnants. Explore the Rhine Hill.
Nearby Baddesley Clinton offers a fascinating glimpse into history.
Try out a riverside pub.
Savor local cuisine and perhaps spot a celebrity or two. Embrace the magic of this butterfly haven.
For more content like this, please like, share, subscribe and follow. Thanks for watching.